My friend thought he had found a perfect luxury car. A few days later, he realized he had to spend extra half of the price for fixing and repair. After 3 years of ownership, let's find out if it was actually worth it.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rocking boots and white tees.
It's second generation Acura Tl from 2000 and it has 3.2 liters engine with 225 horsepower. My friend bought it because it looked nice, it was comfortable, and honestly, it was much more interesting option than boring Corolla and Civic for the same price. And frankly speaking, it was really nice deal for $2,500. 2 days after the purchase, my friend tried to hit some money doing food delivery, but all he earned was an overheated engine. The reason for that was a crack on the water pump. Honda, Acura recommend to replace the water pump on this specific engine every 110,000 kilometers. Unfortunately, my friend got lucky because he had to do it. The water pump is driven by timing belt. So, beside the water pump, my friend had to replace all timing belt kit, and it was $1,200. And actually it was so sad. He spent all his money for the car and acquired a new financial obligation to pay for fixing the vehicle. A week later, my friend found a new quest for himself. His battery was dead and wouldn't charge. There was an alternator issue, it got burned, and my friend decided to replace it by himself. So, the cost of alternator was $150 and it took about 4 hours on the parking lot with his own tools to replace it. After that, my friend was quite happy for the following couple of months, and unexpected, the challenge had found him. It was an upper ball joint on the driver's side has failed this time. And actually it doesn't sound like big deal. It's only $20 part and couple hours to replace everything. And my friend tried to do it by himself again. Because it was 23 years old car at that time, the underneath was so rusty, all suspension part was so rusty as well. It was quite complicated to get out the part. My friend spent 4 hours to take it out, but unfortunately the CV joint was broken as well. The CV joint took out extra $250 from my friend. And on top of everything, the car had a minor service done to the brakes. For 3 years period of usage the car, all brake pads were replaced twice. The average price for the set $50, for 3 years $200 for brake pads is pretty decent. The most recent service that was done to the vehicle was replacing the tires, and at the same time, since my friend had some business with ball joint and CV axle, he decided to get done an alignment. So, for tires, installation, balancing and alignment, it was $900 investment. For now, the vehicle has almost 351,000 kilometers on a dash. It runs pretty well, no any complaint. So, to sum up, total investment into the vehicle to maintain running condition for daily using is $2,720, which means it's almost 110% of initial price of the car. And actually it's really nice budget-friendly luxury car. Would you buy a 26 years old luxury sedan in 2026 for $5,000? Just leave it below in the comment. And thank you for watching this video.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping.